you've spent an excruciating amount of time trying to perfect your product pictures just to feel an insane amount of stress anytime there's a new holiday season around the corner, you gotta get new campaign ideas, new assets, edit this, edit that, fear not, because this video is for you. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Picsart YouTube channel. My name is Matilda. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how you can already use your product pictures that you already have to create new campaigns for this Valentine's Day season. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. First and foremost, I'm going to call this the last minute Valentine's Day campaign because all you really need is your phone or your laptop and Picsart. I'm going to start off by going on stickers and getting this ring box. There's no middle to this, but I was really set on this shape. So I just went over on stickers again and I searched velvet and I found this velvet book. I just erased around it so that it looked like it was the middle of the box. Today I was feeling very extra. Once this is done, obviously I'm going to change the background. I made it this little pink color because I love the combo of red and pink. Controversial, but let me know if you guys are also a fan of pink and red. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and import my product. In this case, I'm going to be using makeup. I'm going to remove background and I'm going to put it in the middle of the ring box. Again, because I was feeling extra, I felt like this box needed a dip. You know, like the line where you usually would put the ring. So I just went on draw and I drew a line and then I just faded the opacity so that it would look like this. And then I went over to my product and I just erased anything that would go below the line. Once this is done and I'm feeling happy with the proportions and everything, I went on text and I added this Valentine's Day, give her the gift she really wants. I was initially planning on using a ring as my product, but then I realized it's a little bit funnier and a little bit more cheeky and ironic to use a product that isn't a ring but you would expect it to be a ring. That's marketing 101 with me. And then at the bottom, I'm just gonna write Happy Valentine's Day and leave a space so that you can add your brand logo. And this is what the final result looks like. You can go ahead and add some more stickers to this, like little hearts, depending on how maximalist or how minimalist you want to go. But it's just perfect to add to your Instagram stories and just boost it as an ad. I feel like if I saw this as I was scrolling through Instagram, I would definitely click on it because it's cute and it's funny. And that's all you really need with marketing. Okay, moving on to the second one. This one is gonna require a little bit more effort and it's to create these little Tic Tac Toes. And I feel like every brand does some sort of variation of this during their marketing holidays. I think it's super cute. So I'm gonna get some paper and I'm just gonna draw a Tic Tac Toe box. I experimented with a few one of these. You can do something like a crayon, looks really cute. You can use a lipstick that looks also very cute and very Valentine's Day thing. I'm gonna draw some hearts instead of circles, and once this is all done, I'm gonna take pictures of it. Let's get into Picsart, where I'm gonna choose an aspect ratio, import this and remove background, choose a random other color for the background, and import my product. In this case, I'm gonna be using these coffee brown beans that I think is really cute. The packaging is pink, so I feel like it goes with the theme here. I'm gonna be placing them in the tic-tac-toe format so that they give a full row. You can go ahead and add some text to this, or you can just leave it plain. It depends on your brand aesthetics. I feel like this would look really cute in feed or even as a poster. If you have the budget for that, I think this looks like a very expensive campaign. Super fun and playful. Moving on to the last one, we're gonna do something super classy and elegant because I tend to do more like fun and playful things, as you just saw, and that doesn't really work for every brand. So if you have something that's a little bit more eloquent, maybe this is the option for you. I'm going to be using this as a chance to promote my sales. I'm just going to write, you're cordially invited to our sale, blah, 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 blah. Make sure you obviously put the sale code in. Once this is done, I'm going to add some paper textures to make it look real. I'm going to save this and then I'm going to open up a new file, get an envelope, and I'm gonna import the letter into it. Then you're just gonna erase around the letter so that it looks like it's inside that envelope. And once this is done, if you're feeling a little bit extra, I feel like a little kiss mark would look really cute. You can go over on stickers and just search this up and add it. And this is what the final result looks like. These were my 3 options for a little Valentine's Day marketing campaign. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. We post videos every single Monday, so if you haven't already, you can subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and X. We post there literally every day. So if you're missing us, you can go check that out. And if not, I will see you next week. Bye.